ever feel like no makeup look ends up having way too many steps and products? Today I am going to show you how to achieve a natural glowing look with minimal product and right skin prep. Hi everyone, I'm Gargi and today I have Sonia with me. We are creating a flawless no makeup look that enhances a feature with a light touch. This is the perfect base to keep it simple for the day, and we can build it up for more glam look, which I will share in part 2 of this video series. So stay tuned for that and let's get started with today's look. Step 1. Clean skin is the first step. I am using Bioderma here. All product details will be in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Step 2. I am using eye patch for deep hydration under the eyes. This step is completely optional. For skin prep, I am starting applying a clay mask. This is an effective option if you have the time. It helps deeply clean the skin by removing dead cell, dirt, impurities from the pores and control sebum production. To remove the mask, you can simply rinse with water, but I am using a makeup remover sponge to make this video fancy. Step 3. First, I am using a glow serum. This step is optional, but it keeps the skin hydrated for a longer period. Next, I am applying Embryolisse as a moisturizer and massaging the skin for a good 5 minutes. This step improves blood circulation, beef up the skin by opening lymphatic drainage and leave your skin looking plump and fresh. Lip balm and under eye cream are a must too. Step 4. An eye primer will help keep the eyelid crease free all day. Here I am using a pore minimizing primer because we are doing no makeup look. I am skipping foundation, so this primer will help the skin look oil free, natural and even. Step 5. Now we start adding pigment to the skin. For color correction, remember, the fewer product you use, the better the natural look is. I am adding just a hint of corrector under the eyes. Avoid making it look orangey. Step 6. I am applying concealer with a very light hand, only on the areas that need coverage, like under the eye and around the nose. Remember, less is more. Use as little product as possible and blend it well. Repeat the process only if needed. Step 7. To define the face structure, I am contouring with the softest contour shade that complement Sonia's skin tone. I am applying it on the hollows of cheeks, under the chin, forehead and nose. I blend it well so it doesn't look too prominent but create just enough shadow or subtle definition. Step 8. For the eyes, I am using a warm cream contour stick as a base and blend it out. Then adding a chubby stick to define the eyes. Product name, shades are in the description box. Next, I am using long lasting kajal on the upper lash waterline to define the eyes shape. I am finishing the eye makeup by curling the lash and applying mascara. Step 9. To set the makeup, I am using loose powder, focusing only on the under eye area. For soft definition, I am lightly applying a powder bronzer where I previously used cream contour. Next, I am adding a hint of blush on the highest point of cheekbone to lift the face. For lips, I am keeping it very subtle to match the natural look. I am applying lipstick as a tint using a fluffy brush. This technique gives the lips a fuller, fresh appearance without making them look overly done. And here we are with the final no makeup look. This look enhances the skin naturally, leaving it fresh and glowing without looking made up. How do you like this minimal look? With right skin prep and soft application, you can achieve a natural glowing skin that is perfect for day. And guess what? On my next video, I will show you how to take this base, to a next level. By adding few products, we will transform this look to a glam and fashion forward look, perfect for the party or quick makeup change. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe me, like this video, share with your friends and comment if you have any question. See you in part 2.